Hey, it's Matthew, brand designer, business coach, and HoneyBook Pro. Today, I'm excited to share some tips and tricks on using the HoneyBook Notes feature to stay organized and track client progress effectively. First, let's discuss how organizing your notes can make a big impact. Whether you're prepping for a meeting, jotting down project goals, or collecting client info, clear and structured notes will save time and reduce miscommunication. Here's how to use HoneyBook's formatting tools to keep everything tidy. In the notes section, you'll find the usual formatting options like bold, italic, and underline. The cool thing is that you can even use predetermined headers like small, large, or if you're feeling lucky, huge. You can then organize your content into bullets, a numbered list, or my personal favorite, a to-do list. Let's suppose you're taking notes during a client session. I suggest you use headings to separate notes from before the call, discussion points during, and bullets or numbers for action items or next steps. Don't forget those headers. This keeps the information structured and easy to review later on, whether you make the note viewable to your client or keep it private. Now for some pro tips. First, keep formatting consistent across all your notes. That way it becomes habit. Always choose clear and concise note titles. I personally like to use all caps for legibility. Use emojis to differentiate note titles at a glance, like a padlock for private notes, a green check mark for session notes, or ones related to your industry. Connect notes to relevant meetings to track when they happened. Add images or links for quick reference, especially if you're in a visual field. Now let's walk through using notes to track client progress. This is great for coaches, consultants, or anyone needing clear communication and setting expectations over time. In the notes section, consider creating a timeline checklist, documenting every aspect of your project. Use this to track key milestones and client deadlines. For more detail, create a note using a to-do list. Simply highlight your text and select to-do list from the formatting bar. Then, make sure that it's visible to your team and your client. If you get client feedback, keep it all in one place here. You and your clients will thank you for having one source of truth, which helps avoid the endless email paper trail. Plus, checking off tasks as they're completed is super satisfying. If I were working on a new client project, I'd start by noting the initial consultation details, and then update the notes with each meeting's outcomes, task completed, and client feedback. Tracking progress with detailed notes will help you stay organized, ensure nothing falls through the cracks, and provide a clear record for you and your client. So, are you using the notes feature yet? If you are, I'd love to hear how it's going below. And if not, has this video helped inspire you on how you could use it? Let's keep the conversation going. And until next time, keep making good out there.